Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can import videos to CapCut PC. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC, and let's just create new project. We can tap on new project and just hold on. Okay, and now the CapCut project has been opened, and if you want to import a video, we can simply tap on the import button right here, and then just select a video from your device that you want to import to your CapCut project. And for example, I'm going to import this video, so we can just tap on the video, and if you want to add multiple videos, you can just select the video like this. And for example, I'm going to add this video as well. Then we can click on open and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see that the videos have been imported to our CapCut project. And if you want to add the video, you can just drag it like this. You can drag the video to the CapCut timeline like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can import video to CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.